Hi, I'm DC. I've been at Citymapper VIA for 6.5 years now. I look after the cities team at Citymapper. We look after all data analytics and data quality for the app. Within the cities team, we interact with every possible team at Citymapper. We interact a lot with our product and engineering team to make sure that we have the best tools and tech possible to make sure their data quality is as good as possible. We speak with our partnership and marketing team whenever we launch new customers or partner up with new cities to be the official app. We make sure that the experience is as local as possible and tailored to what the city really needs. The position is one of the most unique and complex I've ever seen in the industry. We talk a lot about data quality and we make sure that everything is as good as possible, and that really translates into having an impact on cities around the world, into how people see public transport and how people use them in the biggest, most complex cities around the world, as well as smaller one where public transport is not as accessible, and we provide a real value in terms of that. And that makes it really interesting to see the impact, to work with people who really care about the mission as well, and to work on complex different things every day. I think one of my happiest moments at work is always around the launches that we get to do. If that's launching a new region, we've launched over 90% of public transport ridership in the US, same in Europe, and the biggest cities around Asia. Anytime we do these launches, they're very interesting because we see how the public transport works, and we cater our solution to the uniqueness of those places. There's been also many feature launches that have really had a part to play, which I've had a lot of enjoyment for. That is launching traffic in over 40 regions, launching step-free or accessible routing in the biggest, most complex metro regions across the world, and so many more features that I'm really proud to say the team has worked on. We have so many data problems that we get to solve every day in over 400 regions. The local aspect of the transport makes all the problems very different, but we've built a very strong foundation for how to solve those problems, and so we've built and are continuing to build systems and tools and tech to be able to cater to them. So every time we solve a new problem, we take it to the next level. Those are all sort of things that I get to do every day, which is really fascinating. And especially onboarding new people, having people join from all across the world is also super interesting.